Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to tie the double half hitch knot in reverse. Before I knew how to tie this knot, I would flip my work around, tie regular double half hitch knots to the back of my work, and then flip it around again. Now that I know how to tie this knot in reverse, I'm saving myself a lot of time. I'll start by showing you the regular double half hitch knot. To tie this knot, I bring my filler cord in front of my working cords. The key to tying the double half hitch knot in reverse is to remember to bring your filler cord to the back of your work before you tie your knots. I have now tied one double half hitch knot in reverse. Continue tying double half hitch knots on the right side of your work, then we will move on to the left side. We will now tie our knots on the left side of our work. Remember to bring your filler cord to the back of your work before tying your knots. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.